Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can apply for a job at Walgreens online. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to jobs.walgreens.com/en. On the screen that you're seeing, you would see a search node where you can type the keyword of the job position that you wish to apply for. Let's say, I'm going to apply as a pharmacist. Beside it is another search node where you can enter the location of where you want to apply, and you can also select a radius of how far you're willing to go for. Once you fill that up, click on search. As you can see, with the pharmacist alone, we had 9,632 results as a jobs available. Now, we can use the filters right here on the left panel to further filter all the results and choose the job that we wish for. Once you do that, and once you are able to choose the job that you want to apply for, click on it. And then you should see the details of the job, where the address is, the job ID, and the job type. If you're sure with this choice, you can either save the job or you can apply. After that, you're given two options. You can either sign in with LinkedIn or sign in with Facebook or sign in with your Walgreens account using an email or using a password. If you don't have an account yet, simply click right here. And then Walgreens would ask for your personal information and ask some job-specific questions. And after you finish all the details right here, simply submit your application. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!